hope y'all are ready for this one. This is day 2. I couldn't even film the first day. I'll get into all that. But it's a new day. I'm feeling pretty good and energized. So let's get into it. There's the crew.
What?
Is the crew ready? No.
No. Ready to leave?
They're ready to rock it out. Alright, so look, I'm gonna do something a little bit different on this video. I'm gonna pass the camera around to everybody that worked, and I'm gonna let them tell you how they enjoyed the day yesterday. Without them being derogatory or bringing everybody down. Just how they enjoyed the experience, what they did. Let's say that.
The experience yesterday was very confusing and very haphazard, especially when you come from a crew like us who is very well structured. We know what we're going to do every single minute of the day when we're on the job site. With the lack of that information, it was very irritating, but it just kind of got done. We kind of rolled with the mishaps and just craziness of it all, and hopefully today goes, a little bit better. But all I can say really is I can't wait until 6:30.
All right, we back again, day 2. We're gonna be doing the same thing that we did yesterday. We eating all day, me and Ian. We got this very, very
all
long
the way down there.
All this, and then all these houses over here, like the first time when we was here. But as of yesterday, our experience was, it was alright. It was okay. Alright. But, it's a little hotter today than it was yesterday. We're just gonna push it out as usual, get all the weeds off of the houses. That's right. Push it out as fast as we can on our 9 hours. Yeah, 9 hours until we get that money, you know what I'm saying? Got that paycheck. Yes, sir.
So violent. We worked hard yesterday. In the heat. It was exhausting.
That's her testimony right now. Anything, yeah.
Yeah.
She was ready. 4 o'clock, the sun was beating down pretty hardcore.
I was ready to go home.
And I just kept trimming. She wasn't happy because she was cleaning up behind me. So, at any rate, the chaos behind us, the entrance beds that she pulled last time, we're getting ready to scalp them, treat them, and mulch them. Now remember, this isn't going to be the elite dye brown mulch. Not going to have edges like we prefer. But this is just step 1, and we're on a mission. So we'll get into why I think the mission's already been accomplished in my mind on a different level, the business level. What I'm eating. Let them feel right here. So that was 28 minutes that I took to grind that out. I'll go up there and show you what it looks like now on the edge. Hey, I'm working with what I got, and I'm not under my own direction. I'm under someone else's direction, which is kind of weird after being in charge of everything in my life to every little minute detail of my life. I've been in charge of for like 11 years now, so it's a little strange to go back and have someone else direct us and dictate how we do stuff, because it's just different methods, different styles of action. So we're still gonna make this look beautiful, don't get me wrong. I'll show you the start. It's hot. What?
There's plenty too much in this truck.
You having fun yet?
Oh.
Loads. This is what she's got today. Not a whole lot. First load. Yeah, right. This is the first load. We have 2 entrances we got to spruce up, and we're going up to the top buildings to finish where we mulched yesterday. So, yeah. Wheelbarrow. Hey, mulch.